On this incredible planet, we share the lands and oceans with many powerful wildlife. Let's discover and learn about 15 powerful animals that start with P. First, we start with the fastest animal in the world, the Peregrine Falcon. This powerful and speedy animal can dive bomb up to 320 kilometers per hour, which instantaneously kills its prey. In North America in the 1970s, the peregrine falcon population was severely impacted by the use of pesticides and DDT. It was considered an endangered animal. Thankfully, breeding programs, bird releases, and banning of poison pesticides have allowed this majestic bird of prey to thrive once again. Next is another fast animal. Did you know that the pronghorn is considered the fastest land mammal in North America? It can run at speeds up to 105 kilometers per hour. Baby pronghorns can run faster than adult humans at only 2 days old. The only land mammal faster than this species in the world is the cheetah. But the pronghorn can actually withstand high speeds for a longer time. Another amazing fact is that they have one of the longest migrations of any land animal in North America. They move about 320 kilometers from the Grand Teton National Park to the Upper Green Valley River in Wyoming. Their migration is through mountains, water, and even highways and human-populated areas. There are efforts by a number of groups to conserve and respect the path of the pronghorn. Now we have the pygmy hippopotamus. It may be smaller than a regular hippo, but actually, the strength of a pygmy hippo's bite is similar to that of a full-size hippopotamus. Its bite force is about 2,000 pounds, which is twice as hard as a shark. The pygmy hippopotamus has been adapted to land living compared to its common hippo cousin. They have fewer webbed toes, smaller head and noses, and their eyes are on the side of their head to be able to see in the forests. Pygmy hippos are unfortunately considered an endangered species with less than 2,500 hippos in the wild, and the Nigerian subspecies has already gone extinct. Fortunately, breeding programs in zoos and conservation groups are doing their best to keep this powerful and beautiful animal on our planet. Next up is a fan favorite and an obvious powerful animal, the polar bear. This large bear is an extremely powerful swimmer. They can swim for long distances and for hours at a time, and even days, to get from one piece of ice to another in search of food. They have a unique style of swimming, where they use their large paws to act as powerful paddles to push the water with immense force. Their hind legs are stretched out flat behind them to act as a rudder. They also have a keen and strong sense of smell, by smelling prey over 32 kilometers away. As you probably know, the populations of polar bears are dwindling due to habitat loss and climate change. The piranha of South America has an extremely strong and powerful bite to eat its prey. It was found that they have a maximum bite force of 72 pounds, which is 3 times their body weight. The piranha is a greatly feared fish due to its large teeth, and how the fish has been portrayed in many movies and books. Some of it true and much of it sensationalized. You be the judge. The Portugese Man O'War has a powerful sting to kill fish. It is unusual for its sting to kill a human, however, not impossible. Generally, a sting from a Portugese Man O'War is quite a painful experience. This animal has many interesting traits. Did you know that it is not considered a jellyfish as one might think? It is actually a siphonophore that is made up of multiple organisms that function together. It has a bubble-like sail that floats on the ocean with long stinging tentacles that are on average 10 meters long. Some have been recorded to reach over 30 meters long. Did you know that the beautiful Australian peacock spiders are powerful jumpers? They can jump up to 40 times the length of their bodies. Peacock spiders do not spin webs, but instead they chase after prey and jump on it. The male spider has a brilliant and colorful abdomen that it uses to perform a dance routine to attract females. These spiders do have venom to kill their prey, but it is thankfully not harmful to humans. Next is the python snake. They are constrictor snakes that squeeze their prey to death with their powerful muscles. They don't actually crush their prey. Instead, they squeeze until the animal can no longer breathe. The snake then proceeds to eat the animal whole, usually head first. These snakes are naturally found in Africa, Asia, and Australia, with the longest reticulated python being up to 10 meters long. This species lays eggs and in fact has 2 lungs, where most other snakes have only 1 lung. Another powerful snake on our list is the Philippine cobra. Did you know that this snake is considered one of the most deadly snakes in the world? It not only bites, but can also spit its deadly toxin at its enemies. What is even more crazy is that it can launch its venom over 2 meters with excellent accuracy. The venom from this cobra can kill a human in about 30 minutes. The next animal is the majestic and stealth-like panther. Did you know that the black panther is actually a melanistic jaguar or leopard with a genetic trait for black fur? They have an excellent sense of smell, are incredible swimmers, and have exceptional eyesight. These cats are said to see about 7 times better than humans. Their nocturnal habits and black fur allow them to be camouflaged at night while they hunt. They do not need to chase their prey for long distances, but instead use their incredible senses and ninja stealth-like movements to sneak up and pounce on their prey. The panther is definitely a powerful and beautiful large cat. Another amazing and powerful cat is the puma, also known as the cougar or mountain lion. The puma is found from Canada all the way to the tip of South America in Patagonia. It is the 4th largest cat in the world, but is not considered part of the large cat family because it cannot roar. Instead, it purrs, hisses, and meows like other felines. It is an amazing sprinter and jumper, with powerful hind legs that are the largest of all the large cat species. This trait allows it to jump and leap into trees up to 5.5 meters from standstill. The puma is also quite fast. It has been known to run up to 80 kilometers per hour. However, it prefers to hunt with sneaky and stealth-like movements to ambush and surprise its prey. Most people consider the panda as a cute and cuddly bear. However, it has an extremely powerful bite, with a bite force of almost 1,300 newtons. To give that perspective, only lions, grizzlies, tigers, and polar bears beat the panda. The giant panda uses its powerful jaws to mostly chomp on bamboo shoots. It is a peaceful animal, spending the majority of its life eating and sleeping. The panda is now a highly protected animal, but has been severely impacted by habit loss in China. This lovely animal draws smiles to people all over the world. Let's hope that conservation efforts can keep the giant panda population from extinction. You may not think of the pileated woodpecker as a powerful animal, but let me convince you otherwise. It can drum its beak up to 20 beats per second and can peck up to 12,000 times in a day. That is enough to give any human a concussion, so how does its brain withstand all that force? Well, woodpeckers in general have cool biology where their brains are small, so they are packed tightly inside its skull. The bird's beak, head, and brain all stop simultaneously when it hits the target, just like a hammer. Did you also know that the woodpecker has a very long tongue, but most of it is hidden in its head? It starts at its nostrils, splits, then wraps around the back of the skull, then forms up again at the base of the beak. What incredible anatomy. Have you ever heard about the powerful owls? These are the largest owls found in eastern and southeastern Australia, and are sometimes called the powerful boobook. They are so large and strong that they're the top nocturnal predators in their area. They can grow up to 70 centimeters tall, with a wingspan up to 140 centimeters. They primarily hunt at night for small mammals and marsupials. One of their favorite is the common ringtail possum. Last but certainly not least on our powerful animal list is the patas monkey. This African monkey is the fastest primate in the world. It can sprint and reach speeds up to 55 kilometers per hour. Their speed has been adapted to escape predators, as these monkeys like to live in wide open areas like the savannah. They can be aggressive, and have been known to even fight off their predators. Interestingly, the patas monkey likes to live in large groups with mostly females and a single male. The females are responsible for making decisions for the group. Well, that concludes learning about 15P named powerful animals. Thank you for watching and being curious to learn all the incredible wildlife that inhabit our beautiful planet. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to watch more animal fun fact videos. See you on the next one!